Soon I'll be coming out with a lot more free elements and ideas that will help you with your online business. Things like green screen MP4s, ebooks, music, sound effects, graphics, icons, templates, free tutorials, blueprints, guides, marketing tips, and so much more. Digital marketing is all about innovation and speedy implementation, so don't miss out. Subscribe and click the notification bell so you get real-time fresh updates. Thanks! The download links are located in the following page. In case it doesn't work out, check the description of this video. If you found this worthwhile, please give the video a like. Thank you so much.